Good day everyone, I am Lynn Casilagan from Screen 3 Bravo. Today I am going to name the part of this car and its function. So first, the headlight. It gives light, especially in the night. Then the windshield is the protected barriers, or it protects the interior inside the car. Then the wiper. So the wiper helps to clean the water and dust in the windshield. And this one is the hood. It protects the engine inside. Then next is the plate number. It helps to identify the car. Then the indicator light or signal light. It gives warning to the following car if you are going to turn right or left. Then the side mirror. So the side mirror it helps to the driver to see what is near in the car. Then next is the tail light. So this is the tail light, and this is the brake light. So it gives a warning to the following vehicle if you are going to stop. And this is the car door if you are going to enter the car. And this is the steering wheel. It controls the car. Then here is the handbrake or emergency brake. If you are going to park the car, you need to pull this one. Then this is the gear shifter if you are going to forward or backward the car. Then this is the clutch. This is the connect and disconnect the power of your engine. Then this is the foot brake if you want to stop. Then this is the accelerator, or it controls the flow of the gasoline. And that one is the rear mirror. It helps to the driver to see at the back.